How can you turn off the time announcement on the Apple Watch? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, consider subscribing because I have so many videos coming up and already existing on this channel, and I just don't want you to miss them. Anyways, you open up your watch app on the iPhone and you can scroll through these like settings in here. So you can go in here, but the thing that you need to get into is the clock section. So you have a few options in here. First of all, it's the chimes, right? So chimes are like this taptics or haptics or even the sounds, which will be announcing every hour. So, when the clock gets like 4, 5 p.m., whatever, the chimes will play. You will feel it on the wrist, and you can turn it off right here if you don't want to have that enabled anymore. But that's just one thing that might be going on. Outside of that, below, you also have a toggle for speak time. And that's a bit of a different thing because this requires like you to trigger it. It's not like announcing every single time change, but when you have the speak time toggle enabled, you can hold it down on the display of the Apple Watch with 2 fingers, and if you perform the gesture right, you're gonna get the sound, or the time will be announced to you. So I guess that could get the job done as well. So if you don't like it, you can turn it off, but you can keep it there, just don't use it, I guess. But outside of that, there are even more things because some specific watch faces which you might be using also have the time announcement built in. For example, the Mickey Mouse watch face is designed with the feature that if you have your Apple Watch in the regular mode, not in the silent mode, you can tap it with just one finger and it's going to tell you and announce the time as well. So if you don't like it, of course, make your Apple Watch go silent, or don't click it, or even switch to a different watch face. So these are all of the things which I know of that could be announcing the time of the Apple Watch. Let me know in the comments below if there is still something else going on. But if you liked the video and if it fixed your issue, hit the thumbs up to let me know and subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.